Now we are going to see how to solve this 2 raised to power of x times 5 raised to power of x raised to power of 2, that is equal to 10. We need to find x value here. Whenever the x is in the exponent, you have to use logarithm. That is the easiest way to solve the x value when it has an exponent. That's why take logarithm on both sides. Log of 2 raised to power of x times 5 raised to power of x raised to power of 2, that is equal to log 10. Now observe the left hand side part. It is in the product form. Just recall the product of logarithm. Log of AB, you can write this as log A plus log B. So use that property here. Then we can write this as log of 2 power x plus log of 5 power x raised to power of 2, that is equal to log 10. Now again observe the left hand side parts. So it is in the form of log of A power m. We can write this as m times log A. Here in the exponent we have x. This x comes and stay in front. That means x times log 2. And here in the exponent we have x raised to power of 2. So let's take x raised to power of 2 front. Then we have log 5. If you take this log 10 to left hand side, it will become minus log 10. That is equal to 0. Now do you observe this? So this is the x square term. This is x term. This is constant. That means it is in the form of quadratic function, isn't it? So now we need to find the factors of this equation. Before that, let's observe the middle term, x log 2. X log 2, we can write this as x log 10 over 5. After cancel, then you will get only 2. So instead of 2, I am going to write 10 over 5. Now it is in form of log of a over b. We can write this as log a minus log b. So we can write this as log 10 minus log 5. After expand the bracket, then you will get x log 10 minus x log 5. So that means instead of x log 2, we can write this as x log 10 minus x log 5. So now I am going to use this here. X log 10 minus x log 5. So these two terms instead of x log 2. Still here we have log 10 as a constant. And we have x raised to power of 2 term. That is x raised to power of 2 times log 5. From here and here we have xx. So x take it as common. So if you take x take it as common, so you left only x log 5 plus in the second term, if you take x as common, so you are left log 10. From these two terms, if you take 1 as common, so then you will left x log 5 log 10, that is equal to 0. So here x log 5 plus log 10, here x log 5 plus log 10 as common, so you left only x minus 1 times x log 5 plus log 10, that is equal to 0. So we are getting two factors here. So the first factor is x minus 1 equal to 0. From here we can say that x as 1. From the second factor, which is x log 5 plus log 10, that is equal to 0. From here we can write this as x log 5, that is equal to minus log 10. Then x both side divide by log 5, then you will get x equal to minus log 10 over log 5. If you want to simplify this, we can simplify here. So this 10 we can write it as 2 times 5 and do some few more steps. Otherwise we can stop here only. The x value is minus log 10 over log 5. So we are getting x equal to 1. So we are getting x equal to 1. This is the first solution. And the second solution is x as minus log 10 over log 5. But is this x value satisfied a given equation or not? Let's go and see. Verification time. What we have, 2 raised to power of x times 5 raised to power of x power 2, that is equal to 10. So let's take only left hand side part, 2 raised to power of x times 5 raised to power of x power 2. So first we are taking for the first solution, that is x as 1. So that means 2 raised to power of 1 times 5 raised to power of 1 power 2, which is 1 only. So 2 raised to power of 1 is nothing but 2. 5 raised to power of 1 is nothing but 5. So after multiplication, then you will get the right hand side. So that means x equal to 1 is satisfied our given condition. See, the second solution also satisfied our equation, but you need to use a calculator. That's why. So x values are 1 and minus log 10 over log 5. That's it. I hope you like this content. Please consider subscribing my channel. Thank you for watching.